Hey everyone. So a friend had posted something on Instagram that I saw, and it's a video about disclosing some deep, hidden secrets of Antarctica. And I want to show you guys what's going on with that video, and we're going to see exactly what sort of secrets are hiding in Antarctica. And I'm going to explain some very simple truths about what we're going to witness in this video that a friend shared on Instagram.
So I wanted to share this with you guys. So I'm over here in Antarctica looking on Google Earth, and if you just come to this side right here, okay, and you click on that to look at like street view, and watch this. What the hell? They got a whole city up in here. Check that out.
What? Oh wait, what's the sign say? Let's go back and pause and let's read what the sign says. Well, my next videos are going to be on some more important and more interesting topics. So if you guys want to see those, I do cover a lot of conspiracy, a lot of science, a lot of earth sciences, language, symbolism, things like that on this channel. If you like this kind of content, feel free and share it with all your friends who are certain that they're hiding land in Antarctica, and that this is clear evidence of it. So tag your friends, share this with some of your friends who would like to see this information. Make sure to click that subscribe button if this is the type of content that interests you. But so, okay, so this is a problem, everyone. Like, these things are so easy to debunk. You know, I know everybody gets pissed at me for debunking things that are clearly, obviously bullshit, but apparently a lot of people fall for this kind of a lot of people are they just don't know any better. They don't know how to think critically. So that's why I make these videos, is I need to show you guys what's going on here. So if we actually open up Google Earth, okay, so I've opened up Google Earth and I've got it pulled up to the exact same page, to the exact same location as he does in his video. So let's go back and let's compare. Okay, so let's zoom into the exact same location that he was. Okay, so he zoomed into right here is this location right here, and let's see what happens. Oh my god, they got a whole city up in here with deciduous trees, even. In other words, the trees with leaves that change color and fall off due to the change of the seasons, which Antarctica does not have. It's a conspiracy. It's a full-on conspiracy, and you can tell by the species of trees, deciduous trees, meaning the leaves change color and they fall off at the fall of the season. In other words, the change of the season, which only changes seasons in the northern hemisphere. Unless it's a flat earth, unless it's a flat earth conspiracy. But in that case, then this would be the ice wall. And so it's nonsense. See, look at what happens when we actually zoom in on Google Earth for ourselves. Do we find, let's go to the 3D model. Okay. Street view. This is what happens. You find nothing but snow and ice because it's Antarctica. You can zoom in as much as you want. So the basic simple truth of what he did here was he clicked on this button, which is a fly to your location button. He clicked on fly to your location. So it took when you click this button, let's click fly to location. It wants to use my current location. Allow. Cannot obtain a device location. But if you click that button, it automatically zooms in and it flies to your specific location where you are on the map, on the Earth, which is what happened when he clicked the button. See, look, he clicks the fly to your location button. Click on that. No, that's not Street View button. That is the fly to your location button. See, it's... Oh, I can't just zoom in on it. I could just zoom in on my screen. He clicks on the fly to your location button, and that's what happens. It flies to his own part of the... See, it zooms and flies to his own location on Earth, which is somewhere obviously in the northern hemisphere. Looks like North America, probably Canada. It flies to somewhere in Canada or United States. You can tell by those species of trees. They're deciduous trees, and it is the season of fall. And if you could read what is on this sign. Okay, the sign is too blurry. You can't read what's on the sign. But if you could read that sign, you could see exactly which lake this is on. Okay, so upon editing, I've actually figured this out. I zoomed in on the lake sign, and turns out it says Manson. It says Manson. And by doing basic research, I went and I looked up lake. I looked up Manson. I typed in Manson and Lake Resort, because that's obviously what we're looking at. We're looking at a lake resort, and the sign says Manson. So I put the pieces together and I looked up Manson Lake Resort, and this is what I found. I found results for Lake Chillon Manson Resort, and this took me to I found this specific one here, Mountain View Lodge and Resort, Lake Chillon, which is in Washington, USA. Your visit to Manson Village in Lake Chillon Valley, Washington. And this is the exact location. See, look at this photo here. This is the exact, notice the trees, the red and green deciduous trees right on the lakeshore. This is with notice the buildings and the resort here. This is it. It's in it took him to Washington, Manson Resort, Lake Resort. Obviously not located, hidden, and covered up by NASA in Antarctica. It's basic. This is basic research. It's basic fact checking, guys. This is not rocket science. This is not NASA science. It's not rocket science, folks. Martin Leakey, Flat Earth British. Martin Leakey of Leeds and Wales. Of Martin Leakey of Liverpool. Smoke cigarettes in all my videos. Martin Leakey. So there you have it. Totally debunked. We've mystery solved. And so someone shared this from Flat Earth British, okay, from Martin Leakey, Flat Earth British, from Martin Leakey. So that is how dumb. So Martin Leakey, Flat Earth British, he thought that this was actually evidence of NASA hiding land and hiding hidden cities in Antarctica. That is how dumb. I'm sorry. That is how dumb this is. They didn't even think twice to think that, oh, those are deciduous trees, which only grow in the northern hemisphere, in the season of fall, by the color of the leaves. And they didn't even think to go and look on Google Earth yourself. There's nothing there but ice and snow, and maybe some stuff under that ice and snow. Sure, maybe there's, and I'm sure there probably, yeah, maybe there's a conspiracy to cover that up. But this is what they're hiding in Antarctica on Alexander Island, is nothing but ice and snow. And they clicked on the zoom fly to your location button, and it took him to his own location in North America. So I'm sorry, I don't mean to make fun of you guys, but this is hilarious. It's a joke. It's hilarious. That's how dumb this is. So anyways, I've got more interesting videos coming along. My next video is going to be on the etymology explorations of, well, you'll see when it comes. So I will see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned for some of my future videos, and check out my previous videos on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this is Cullen Smith, Lifting the Veil. Y'all have a good one. Today I would like to introduce you all to my brand new published book, The Hive Mind Invasion of Civilization, a compendium of esoteric science, symbolism, and universal secrets. If you'd like to purchase this book, you can head over to my brand new website that I've set up. It's still very bare bones. There's a lot of work I need to do on the site, but for now it's got the basic things that I need on there until I upload all of my content. You can sign up for the newsletter to receive email updates on all of my posts as I begin to populate the site with all of my archives of articles, books, videos, and films and courses and all of that good stuff. So you'll get notifications as I begin to populate the website with all of my content on it. So that's a good reason to sign up right now, even though there's no content on it yet. But you can pick up my books there. I've got my Hive Mind book. I've also got a couple other titles that I've released for, which are just study aids. They are journals such as Divine Manifestations, a dream journal to log your dream and awakening experiences, and to highlight any insights or intuitions that may come to you along your process of growth and exploration of all of this content. I've got a food journal to log your nutritional progress and to log your health and fitness progress as well. And I've got a 50 Days of Gratitude journal as well, and I will be releasing several more titles as well to help expand and explore your own creativity and things of that nature. So these make great gifts for any friends, beloved family, any loved ones. So these are great gifts that you can pick up and also support Lifting the Veil and the work that I do in the process. So feel free and head on over to my brand new website, liftingtheveil.tv. And I will see all of you there. All right, have a great day. Thank you. My name is Cullen Smith. This is Lifting the Veil. You can find all of my full books, presentations, videos, films, articles, posts at subscribestar.com/liftingtheveil. Patreon has suspended this work and my account and income stream for this content. So if you are a supporting patron, then please, I ask you to move your support over to subscribestar.com/liftingtheveil. And I have just established a completely free, uncensored, totally free speech social media platform that replaces Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, every other platform all in one on liftingtheveil.locals.com. You can download the Locals app and you can join our group and have totally free speech and totally uncensored, unrestricted content access. And there is also a ton of exclusive content, and I will leave the cited reference links in the description down below. So you can check that out for all of my full content, and I will see you guys in the next video. I rely solely on word of mouth, and the recommended algorithms are not recommending any of my videos or films anymore. My channel has literally been completely restricted, so I rely on your help by sharing my work around if you appreciate it, and leave me your comments. I definitely want to know what you have to share and what you have to think about all of this stuff, and I will see you in the next video.